YouTube, one answer. Good evening. Big up on yourself, all of my fans them. All of my new fans, I'm gonna subscribe. As I say, don't forget to press the bell for the notification. As I say, yeah man. I work now ready to go right now still, but I have to jump in on a quick video. As I say, because here we go on. We're gonna talk about the Jamaica community right now. As I say, fast and quick. Well, for these last days, I see a story that flood the internet. Say cargo, they do some wrong thing. You know, people that make up some allegation for cargo, a whole heap of thing. Well, this is the real natural Jamaican corruption people them. That is how they roll. That's what I deal with. Anytime they see you, they try make something in a life. That is when they come, they make up their lie, they plan up lie for you, cause you don't know. You see when time them plan up a lie and put it for you, cause Jamaica, you know, everybody knows say Batman for dead at Jamaica. Them that a favorite thing. And Bowcat and them people there. They don't have nothing to do with them thing. So you see when time a man want try a thing for you, he either say you're Batman or him say you're Bowcat or him say you're a raper or something like that. You see me I say, forget everybody against you. And then now most Jamaican people follow hearsay. Them not go in and nothing. No, forget no details and nothing what go on. You know, so work with the trendy thing. Anything what trendy, then go on with it. And then condemn your blood clot. You see me I say? This brother, Dr. Fish, man a grown on the internet and a cause pay problem, bridging. You see me I say? And another thing what Jamaican love do, then we hope your blood clot too. In time they say you make it and them can't make it, then hope you. And even the evil thing what come out of man mouth I hope that. You see me I say? A fucking obia, said we. You see me I say? The boy Dr. Fish just grown on the internet and fuck around everybody. You see me I say? Him in a thing with cargo. You see me I say? I don't know how him in tech side with promoter upon cargo. I don't know how him do that. And then I said time, him man dep on Wally British case. You see me I say, man, you left Wally British alone, man. You see me I say, you're a big man, go and go get positive thing and talk. You see me I say, go get positive thing and talk, positive thing and talk and teach you them. And stop the on internet to chase like your girl. You know say, one day I watch Dr. Fish. And my wife see him and he must say, oh, he look gay. You know what I mean? Because my wife American, you know. And then some more woman when they there and they look upon him and say, oh, he look gay. Because we a man sit down and how a man attack and how a man flash in and then sit there. You see me I say? And he must style people. You see me I say? And you hear Wally British say, the two of them are woman. You see me I say, so you kind of forgot, brethren, and then you have some more people again. When me check it out, them flood the blood cleat. Everywhere you look on the YouTube, you see them, you know, and an idea. A be a slackness them attack. If you go suck this and go suck people private part. Just that alone. You see me I say, nothing conscious. We teach you them. Little youth them when they come up, they want to learn something, brethren. You see me I say, so you want to tell me so when big people and you don't know nothing, when they're dunce and you don't know nothing. All I want to know is we go around on the internet and cause confusion and make problem. You see me I say? That's all I want to know. General Star. I lose off of my Jamaican people them. I swear. I lose off of my Jamaican people them. You see me I say? Yeah. I have another video to come up with talk about Black American too. So I live in America, you know, and I see certain things want to go on. But that's another video. I talk about Jamaican, you know. Yeah, so what me I say? You see Jamaican people them, then we see you a try a thing and then run come friend you. And when they friend you now and then feel say everything, then come up with allegation and spread rumor. I'm not sure you a thing. Me there Jamaica. You see me I say, me live in a one garrison. You see me I deal with, I live in a one garrison community. And me is a man, me do construction, me go to work every day. Me keep moving. You see me I say, me not depend on the road the high ground up. Me keep moving because me and me youth them to feed and thing like that. You see me I say, so any idea now, me get a links to go to Trinidad in a '07. Come back '08. Trinidad, they not pay no big money in a construction like America or so, or like Cayman. Cayman pay biggest. You see me I say? So, when me go to Trinidad go work, I just hand to mouth. You see me I say? You see when me come back to Jamaica and me no buy a car or build up nothing for my house, people them say me a deport brethren. You see me I say? And I'm my own father first start spread the rumor. Cause he might say, whoa, my son come from foreign and I went check it out. The son broke. He say, yo, me nah no money and I'm broke. And to month me go work. But true me in a one little situation with my baby mother and thing and me just want to get out and reach. So me just take the links and go. Even though me know say money not strong. You see me I say, so when me come back, the father first brand me brethren. So me a deportee. And the whole community start calling me Dippy till it spread to another community where I come from. Till it spread downtown. You see me I say, one man say a little thing, you know. One man say something. And it spread. You see me I deal with, my name start calling me Dippy. You see me I say, one brother used to scam me, man, run come up on me yard. You see me, I not even know say I'm a scammer and thing. He live in a community, but him come, they try to scam me. I'm a run him. You see me, I say, because he might come tell me say him can't sell me visa for go foreign. He might not bumbo clot immigration. Now he go say, me just run when bumbo clot. You see me, I say, yeah. Because he might say me get deport, so he want to do something for me. You know, do nothing for blood clot me. You see me, I say, I run him out of my yard. You see me? And I end of the day, me there Jamaica till I come back from China and I spend 6 years at Jamaica. 6 years. You know what next thing after a man them start calling me deport, you know what them do? And walk out up on my blood clot. You see me I say? And I true man, God bless. I dream. 2 times I dream. 2 times I get to set dream. I'm going to clean up myself. Me never hurt nobody nothing. I clean up myself. And I suck on me end up America. Because people them realize that I go travel one time and I say, fuck, I go travel again. And the man them set out behind my blood clot. If God never put in a one dream, I'm going to clean up myself. I know the America right now. Who could I tell what happened to me at Jamaica? You see me I say? Yeah, so me know virgin. Anytime. Cause I go do 2 albums a day. And in thing shot. And that I carry grudge. You see me I say, and a bad mind. And then come up with allegation upon the man. You see me I say? Anytime the man them dep on the internet are grown and one other thing what them see them a do. And dep on the internet, anybody what them see have no fans and no subscriber, big and everything. That's why I see some people then hide them subscriber. They don't want nobody know. You see me I say? Anytime they watch and see a subscriber and see how much views they get, then come if you try broke down your channel. You see me I say? Then try broke you down. Tell lie and cause confusion. And when they start the confusion, then them friend and them go report the channel and whole heap of foolishness. Bad mind, brethren. You see me I say bad mind and corruption. And that me notice the whole of Jamaican them a run with. If you have a business, say you have a restaurant, then come at your place and then start hang out at your place. And they come like them blood clots sit down in there and count too much food yourself a day. and calculate that by the year. And say blood clot the man and make 1 million a year. You see me I say? And then they start walk and spread propaganda say you're nasty in your kitchen and you're this in your kitchen and you're that in your kitchen and you buy back the kind of food that tastes good and whole heap of thing just for tell people if you not go at your restaurant. You see me I say? Me know a Jamaican brother have a restaurant over here, my youth, and yeah, some people on the road and see you. And you say, yo, the restaurant they big, you know. And man I say, yo, here we go on. Now go there some man. And I tell you one another restaurant. And you say, no go another restaurant, the food not even good. You see me I say, just through that restaurant are the biggest restaurant. Them bad man, man. You see me I say, a sudden time. Anytime you dey work hard, bridging, and set your schedule, work on your thing, and set your goal, and when you start to achieve your goal, there come a fucker them a try come cut you down. That is how they stay. You see me I say? And that are the mentality what Jamaican have, make Jamaican go back in a blood clot slavery. You see me I say? Anytime you see a man arise, look what they do with family where they lock up family for no reason. Because then she say, yo, if family rise, it can't help some whole it more youth. And them say, I get to youth, so. Them I get to youth, so. How the fuck them I get to youth if we call live better life than we? And they lock up a man for no reason. That is what they go on in Jamaica. And the Jamaican them travel overseas, them carry said dirty nasty mentality with them. That's if you go up on the internet and you look, you will see a circle. You see me I say, then cuss, this and that. You see me I say, where there me see Amari do a nice song. You see me I say, where is Bop? And I end of the day, but I like Amari, Amari appreciate it and I say, yo, but me not see no I go on for Bop and he sing his song, say, where is Bop? Bop fi come back. You see me I say, and then I end of the day, that's what Amari do, you know. He do something for Gully Bop, you know, because after that, I see Gully Bop start get tour on the islands, you know. You see man start get tour. You see me I say, and I end of the day, the people them start mash down the woman again. And I say, woman song no sound good and all for fuckery. Them bad mind. You see me I say, and them what they do it. Them what they mash down people, them can't do it. You get what I say? Them can't, when they check it out, them not do nothing. And they sit down and mash down people, Bridget. My yo, Jamaican, if you stop do them blood clot, yeah. If you stop bad mind against one another, yes, I say. If you stop do it, yes, I say, if you live loving, Bridget. Stop, find something else, Bridget. You're black for YouTube. A whole heap of thing you can chat about, you know. A whole heap of thing you not have to. You not have to dip on YouTube and cuss nobody, you know. You see me? You not have to dip on YouTube because nobody. Look on why producer do it there. To Cargo. Him say him never used to come on internet, but the one time he come on internet. Instead of him try big up himself, he might try carry down another man. You see me I say? Look into it. You see me I say? There's a lot of things you can talk about, Bridget. Brand yourself and talk about a lot of things. You don't have to bring down no man. You see me I say? That me I talk about. Any day we can come together, have love and unite, we will become a strong nation. Because remember say Jamaica powerful already. You know? Remember say we name Liquor Boy with Talawa. You know? Look on Usain Bolt. You see me I say? Look on Usain Bolt. You see me I say? You have a lot of great people come from Jamaica. In music. Look how much top artists come from Jamaica. I feel a reggae, I run the whole world, you know. A reggae music, I run the whole world, you know. I don't know that. Eh? I don't know that. And you go, we have the talent and we have everything. Accent alone, I drive people crazy. My youth. I will just use it, do something positive, brethren. Stop broke down another man. You not have to broke down another man. See it there? See me come on YouTube, yeah. Me take time and grow my channel. I mean, I broke down nobody. If you say if a bad thing if you talk about a man, me not do that video there. You see me I say, any how if you talk bad about a man, I nah do that video there. You see me I say, that me the try show now. You see me? So you see in time we can unite so we be alright in our life. We be alright in our life. We need to stop broke down people blood. You see me I say? We need to stop broke down people and unite. If you see a brother have something to go on, support him. Support him. Don't break him down. If you see another man with a YouTube channel, big up it. Say, yo, go over there so go support that man because I'm just coming at thing, you know. You know what I mean? Send some fans over there. You know do that. You quarrel and I tell everybody if you not go there. And so I say, well, turn off that. Turn off that. Me still say, I do something I say. I apologize. You see what I say? So I end idea. And that what you do. Big up one another and stop broke down one another. You see me I say? Because we younger youth them. Everybody there on YouTube now. Everybody there on internet. Too much nastiness, too much suck out this and suck out that. Them things that can't work. You see me I say? Them things that can't work. People. Me I tell you no Jamaican people. No come up man. Come up with better life than that man. You not live too nasty and dirty. You get what I say? Yeah man, Ayze this attack man. You see me I say? Ayze this attack. So that me have to say. That a message what me have to go on right now. You see me I say? Just leave in the comments and make me hear one thing. You see me I say, and like and share and most of all subscribe. You see me I say, I work me I go here now. I don't want to get late. I go make some cheddar you know. I'm out. Love you know. One love.